So you want to get paid for clipping? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step of how you can clip for this streamer Neon. And on your clipping account, you do not need 10K followers for this method. So make sure you watch this video because I'm going to be showing you step-by-step on how you can clip for Neon. And it really isn't that hard. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button because on this channel, I love to give my best clipping tips and tricks. And with ending off 2025, I'm going to be making an update video for my earnings for TikTok clipping this year. And let's just say it is going to be a great video. Let's get into how you can clip for Neon and get paid today. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Rea AI, and I will have it linked down below in the description. So make sure you click that link first, and everything's free. So I just want you all to know that there's no cost for this. And once you go to Rea AI, you want to sign in or sign up and make an account. And when you sign up for a Rea AI account, I want you to go down to live stream. And then right here in the middle of the screen, you want to make sure you sign up to get notifications for when Neon is live. And essentially Rea AI will send you an email in real time when Neon is live, and you will be the first to get clips delivered to you to your inbox that are auto cropped, captioned, and ready to go viral for your social media platforms. And for those of you that don't know what Rea AI is, it is an auto clipping feature. So Rea Clip will find the most viral moments for you or take control and tell you exactly what to clip. And it will do all the auto reframing for you, so it adapts your video to keeping the moving subject perfectly centered with smart object tracking. And of course, it'll do all the auto captioning for you, no matter what language you clip. And so essentially with this tool on Rea, you're going to be getting these clips delivered right to you, so you don't even have to watch the stream and find the clips itself. Rea AI will do literally all the hard work for you. And so the next step, Rea will actually pay you to post these clips on a social media clipping account. So I will have Rea AI's Discord down below, and you want to join that. And once you join that, there's obviously going to be a rules section. So obviously be respectful, no botting, stuff like that. And it says right here, now you have to read the rules, go to the get started to get started with clipping. So click the get started. And then essentially you want to register and follow all the instructions for this Discord server. And then you can check out all the campaigns under the active campaigns category. And as you can see under the active campaigns, there are Neon clipping campaigns that you can do. And you can post these onto TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and it has more in-depth information right here. So make sure you just follow everything. And some important things that you want to make sure is that you have at least a 30% tier 1 audience. So this essentially just means you want your clips to be more directed to the audiences of the US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. And a caption requirement when you're posting this is you want to use hashtag Rea Clip. At least for this one right here, it'll tell you if the campaign is finished or not. So Rea said this past Neon campaign is now finished, and this budget they had a total of $3,000. So when you get these clips posted on your TikTok account, you then want to add and verify your social media account to the Discord server. You want to make sure you set up a payment method, and so the best payment method payout will probably be PayPal. And then when you post a clip to your social media account, you then want to go to the Discord server, go to this clips ad section, and then you want to select the platform that you posted on, so TikTok, and then you'll just copy and paste your TikTok URL right here, and then it'll submit it to the Discord server, and it'll keep track of the amount of views you have generated. And it really is as easy as that. And if y'all have any specific questions for Rea and for clipping, they have a general section right here, so you can ask any questions for anyone to help you out. And someone even asked right here, so I can post the logo with Neon clips and get paid, and Rea said yes. So just verifying that if you place the Rea AI logo on the Neon clips, they will directly pay you when you link your posts and everything in the Discord server. So I think this is honestly a really great opportunity for y'all to make money when you don't have 10K followers, and you don't even have to have an account that's dedicated to Neon. But if you have some type of clipping account that is directed towards streamers, then this is a pretty great opportunity to clip for Neon. I actually have a couple screen recordings of going through the live stream feature, and I'll walk you guys through it. And it's actually really cool. You can do it on your phone or on your PC. So essentially when Neon is live, it'll say new clip incoming. And so that essentially just means the Rea AI software is currently generating clips in real time from Neon's live. And so there's a clip right here that I actually clicked, and it's Santa's customer service mode. So this is when Neon is out in public and he's dressed as Santa. And so you can scroll down and see what clips have already been generated in real time. You can just click the play button, and then it'll show you the entire clip that clips.
We're still in the puberty stage.
Okay. Elves, give me your sizes.
Okay, keep track of their sizes. Yell it out.
And so from just watching that, as you can see, Reka did the captions, the auto framing, everything that you need when it comes to clipping. And so what you can do is, if you're satisfied with the edit, you can go ahead and click the download button, or you could just go ahead and click edit. And so when you click the edit feature, it will then bring you to a timeline to where you can customize the captions more. You can edit and trim if you want to trim anything out. And of course, when you click the captions feature, you can customize any spelling if you would like to do that. You can then select styles, and there are different caption animations that you can select depending on the style that you want on your video. And then the next section is format, and essentially you can select the size of the captions that you want, if you want small, medium, large, extra large. And so that's really the entire clipping method you'll do when you're in Rea AI software. Again, you'll get these clips delivered right to your email. So when you get that email, you can then just click view live clips. And if you're not getting those emails, then you need to make sure that you're signed up for it on Reca's website, and then the clips will then come in for you, and you'll have a lot of clips to post to your clipping account. And then make sure you're connected with Rea AI's Discord server, and then they will essentially pay you for posting these clips. And as you can see right here, as I'm scrolling on my phone, there are multiple different Rea AI clips that are generating from this Neon stream. So make sure you give it a try, because it's not just one clip that's generating for you. There are multiple different clips. So for those of you that clip, make sure you try out this feature and let me know what you think of this. And if you have any specific questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section. And I would love to help as much as I can when you guys try clipping Neon. And what I love about Rea is they constantly have new budgets for clipping campaigns for Neon and sometimes other streamers. And it really does help us clippers that don't have 10K followers on our accounts, because that's really hard to hit for TikTok to pay you. So make sure you go try this clipping method out. And I also have a free Discord server on my own, so make sure you join that for any clipping advice or questions that you may have. And I really appreciate you all watching this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.